Hey everyone, Bones here, and I'm cooking up some Texas armadillo eggs, and you're watching Cajun RNEWBBQ. What are armadillo eggs, you ask? Well, they're little bitty bundles of joy. See, they're pork sausage wrapped in bacon with a jalapeno popper stuffed inside of it. And we're gonna season it all with Meat Church's Holy Voodoo, nice spicy seasoning. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, we go ahead and get our jalapenos ready. Cut off the ends. Cut them down the middle. Get our seeds out of there. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our cheese inside of it. And then we go ahead and put our caps back on top. Now we take some mild country sausage, or you can use the hot, all depends on you. This is just what I had in the house. Go ahead and flatten it out some. Put that inside of it. There goes our first egg. Now it's on to wrapping up with the bacon. Just like that. Like I said earlier, today we're using the Holy Voodoo. We're going to go ahead and put these on the smoker now at 300 degrees until they hit an internal temp of about 170. All right, they're looking good, they're smelling good. Let's go ahead and cut one open and see what they look like. Look at that cheese. Oh yeah. Let's cut a little piece off. Do that taste test. Now that I've cut it open, you can really smell that jalapeno coming strong out of it. So Looking forward to that. Oh yeah, nice and spicy, rich with the jalapeno flavor. Got a nice hit from the Holy Voodoo seasoning. Then you got the barbecue sauce that just mellows it out right at the end. Nice and gooiness with the cheese. Overall, like it very much. Really wouldn't change anything on it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.